Welcome everybody. I'm fixing speakers on the 95 today. Fix it down here, by the way. Doo-doo. Back. Doo. So if anybody didn't know this, I'm sure you did. If you work on a C4, these panels come right off. They're only held in like this. And let me see if I can get this in here. They're real simple. Anyway, they sit like this, and you gotta go down like this, which I haven't. Anyway, that's how they go. There's 3 bolts, put it down. My daughter keeps blowing the speakers out in these things, and I have these in it right now, and they're junk. So we're gonna put in these. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So in the meantime, I gotta go get some wrenches. So anyway, that is what I'm going to do. I'll be back here in a minute. I'm back. It's raining out. Check it out. Here in Washington State, it rains a lot. Okay, let me go back here and see what's going on. Okay, tools. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to put you guys right here, I think. Let's see how that goes. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can right there. That's cool. Let's do that. Anyway, I gotta take this out. I have no idea what size they are. I think they are. Nope. They're smaller than that. It's raining. This sucks. I might get wet. Might just get a little bit wet. This sucks. Let me see if I can find this. That's not the one. Where do I have? Fine. Let's do this one. That'll work. So I put a stereo on this thing. God, I don't know, a couple years ago. My daughter keeps blowing the speakers out. And the reason why is because the amp I have is too much distortion. So anyway, that being said, pretty simple concept here. Anyway, these speakers I paid way too much for, and they're junk. Anyway, take this off, and this off. Ta-da! Those are garbage. So let's put these in. I got some Infinities. I don't know how long these will last, but I'm sure they'll last longer than what she's got going on. Ta-da! Unboxing this mess there. Look at that. Ooh, cool. Ooh, these are nice too. Wow. What the heck's this for? I have no idea. Anyway. So. Oh, they're already sealed. Wow. Now I'm going to get wet. Chop my speakers real quick. Here we go. Oh, let's try that. Skinny big. So. Oops, that's not good. Okay. I don't know if these move or not, but I don't really care. Alright, there we are. Joys of having an old car when your daughter drives it and has the volume at 30. It's okay. This is the second set of speakers I've put in this, so we'll see how long these last. I'm not expecting any miracles, that's for sure. I bought 3 pairs of these. different name brands because I figured I can use them in another car. So oops, that's good. I think we're good here. Oh yeah, we'll move that down. There. I think we got those. Cool. Anyway, there's that. This is pretty simple to put together. For the most part. I should test them, but you know, I'm not going to. I don't want to do it. Okay, this here needs to go. I can't remember exactly how I did this, but it goes like that. Just like that. There. There. And there. So let me show you what I got here. Okay, we're gonna grab the canister right there. Just go there. Goes down there. Just a cover. It's pretty simple actually. But Corvettes, if anybody knows, they're built pretty cheap. For performance only. Yeah, well, we won't go there. Anyway, at least C4s. People aren't real excited about these cars, but I like them because they're reasonably priced, and for your bang for your buck, you can't really go wrong. Anyway, and this piece here goes right here, goes just like this. See? And you just screw it in. So, see if I can figure out something here. Keep getting all wet. So this big screwdriver, it's way too big for what I need it for, but it works. Here's another one. No, I should have probably used the nice one. Yeah, I'll change that. So look at the differences in colors. I don't want them to see that, so we'll put that here. Hopefully this will work. Yeah, we'll do that right there. There, it's all done. So check it out. That's all done. Looks good there. Right there. Got the screws there, there. That fits nice like it's supposed to. This covers out. All it is a cover. It goes like that. It's stupid, but it works. And that's it for installing it. Your front speakers on a C4 Corvette. Actually, between 90. I think it's 95 and 96. I'm not sure on that one. It might be 94, but anyway. That's it. Short video. I know. I'm not the only one done this. I'm sure there's a billion of these. Somehow to install your front speakers on a 95 Corvette. But anyway, figured I'd do a quick video. Anyway, I'm out of here.